Welcome our dear viewers. This is We Are Malawi YouTube channel. In the previous episode, we are talking about
how to take care of a flush public toilet, where you all narrated ways how to take care of it. But today, we want to talk about something different, about
agriculture. Guys, with the rising cost of fertilizer, there is a way out. We can find a way of using organic manure. Organic manure can be made from these remains. They are maize stalks. You can look at them and see as if maybe they are unimportant, but they are very important. They are useful.
Yes.
Now, let me take you to the process of how you can do it so that at least you grow your crops without inorganic fertilizers. There we go. This is the first step of how we can make this manure. It's very simple. The first stage is you have to cut these into small pieces like this, right? When you cut them, you come here. Before you understand that this heap is made by piling on top of each other. But then there is also, look at this. These are the droppings of chicken. So you can find that when they lay the first layer of the maize stalks, they will come with the layer of the chicken droppings, and then water, right? You have your water, and then using your watering can, you water the first layer, and then you come with another layer of the maize stalks. Again, you go back to the droppings. The process keeps going and going and going until you have the heap like this. Now, after finishing, you wait for about 20 to 23 days.
While you're turning them each and every week, so they don't turn.
Yes. So that's the process. You need to be turning them now and again after some days. So let's see what is the end product that we're going to have after those mentioned days. And now, this is the second stage. As you can see, the manure has been changed. In the first stage, we saw that they were just like dispersed anyhow, but this time they're being compacted. So we can see that the manure has started decomposing, so that we come up with the complete manure that we can use for growing our crops. Now, how is the last product? How does the last product look like? I will take you there so that you see what the final product looks like that you can use in your farms. This is the final product. We have our complete manure. Now we can take our manure and then use it in our farms. You don't need to worry about the rising cost of fertilizers.
Use organic manure.
Use our organic manure, and then you're going to harvest bumper yields. Now, we also have another way of how we can do other manure. That one will be explained by my colleague, Evelyn.
Alright, guys. I have one other way which is somehow dirtier than this, but please, I don't think you mind. This way, it's you have three materials. That's the urine, the human urine, that is. Then you have the blood and ashes. So when you have these three raw materials, you take them together. For instance, you may have your 50 kg of your maize plant, you have it there. You mix it with 25 liters of your urine. Please, it's not that dirty as you think. You may discuss as a family, you urinate in one of these big things. Please, it's not dirty, it's useful. Then you mix it with the maize bland. We call it gaga in Chichewa, please. Yes. So after you mix that, you keep on turning them for 3 to 4 weeks. Then after that, if your decomposed material, you put it somewhere on a plastic sheet. But please, as you're waiting for it and the turning process, it has to be in a black plastic bag.
Yeah.
So after it has finished decomposing, that's 3 to 4 weeks, you can put it somewhere there. You get your ash, and then you start splitting it there and mixing it.
Yeah.
Please wear gloves. If you don't have gloves, you can put on plastic bags.
Yes, plastic bags.
So make sure that your ash is well mixed with your decomposed material. Then you can keep it in a safe place. So you can also use it in your farm. Don't worry. botherizing cost of
Yes,
fertilizer.
yes.
That's the easiest way.
So that's it, guys. You can see that We Are Malawi channel is a very important channel that you need to subscribe to. You need to like it, you need to share this information. Many people need to start using organic manure. On top of that, remember, organic manure retains the natural fertility in the soil. So remember to share, click on the like,
Stay with us
and subscribe.
You learn a lot.
Until next time.
Till next time.
Bye bye.